Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me show you how to fix YouTube Shorts upload fail. If you're having issues uploading YouTube Shorts, in today's video, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. So the first thing, you need to make sure that your YouTube app is updated. So for that, head over to the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device, and then search for YouTube. If you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. The second thing that you can do is make sure that your video is under 60 seconds and has an aspect ratio of 9:16. Once you do these couple of steps, try to check if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear the cache and data of your YouTube application. So what you can do is just head over to the app, tap and hold the app and head over to app info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You can just tap on this option and then tap on clear all data. What this does is clears or removes any sort of glitches that might be causing the issue. Apart from that, what you can also try out is uninstall the app of YouTube from your phone and then again reinstall it. By doing these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the issue of YouTube Shorts upload fail. I do hope this guide video did help you out. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.